A perfectly tuned smart building system manages the power grid of a modern hospital. Then, without warning, the entire grid shuts down, and the hallway plunges into pitch black. The culprit behind the blackout? A tiny thermal sensor near the boiler room glitched for exactly 1 second. It mistakenly fed the computer a reading of 1,000 degrees. Faced with an impossible reading like that, a typical engineer will panic and immediately hit delete to scrub the error from the record. But elite data scientists do the exact opposite. They deliberately keep the deadly anomaly inside the dataset to make their systems smarter. This kind of wild, unpredictable record is an extreme outlier. Data in the real world is messy, and extreme values are absolutely everywhere. Imagine a typical suburban street where the residents earn average salaries, and then a tech billionaire moves in next door. Look at this animated bar chart showing a relatively flat line of normal suburban incomes. When we factor in the new neighbor, a single massive bar shoots upward, dwarfing the others and squashing the rest of the data flat. The mathematical average for that street skyrockets, tricking predictive algorithms into thinking the whole neighborhood is a haven for the ultra-wealthy. But throwing away the billionaire's record or the 1,000-degree sensor reading destroys valuable information. That extreme number might not be a glitch at all. It could be a critical, life-saving warning that a boiler is actually about to explode. The true danger to the algorithm is not the chaotic data point itself. The danger is our systemic reliance on feeding the machine that exact mathematical identity to calculate the outcome. The solution is a technique called data discretization. You neutralize an outlier's destructive weight by stripping away its specific numeric value and locking it inside a defined structural boundary, like a vault. Think about how we naturally process human age. If you are building a recommendation system for a shopping app, your users will input exact raw ages, 23, 42, 57, and 81. If a 110-year-old person suddenly downloads the app, feeding that exact number directly into a standard mathematical model will severely stretch and break your entire predictive scale to accommodate the new maximum. Instead of raw numbers, we apply equal width, separating this timeline of user ages into evenly spaced intervals, young, middle, and senior. When the extreme outlier appears, it smoothly drops into the senior bracket. The exact number 110 is ignored, entirely containing its mathematical pole, and the scale snaps back to normal. By executing equal width binning, the algorithm replaces fragile, highly specific numbers with resilient, generalized context. You keep the user, but you cage the math. Equal width binning works perfectly for evenly spread data, but it has a major vulnerability. If your user base is overwhelmingly young, the data bunches up on one side. Those perfectly spaced middle and senior brackets will sit almost completely empty, wasting immense computational capacity. To fix the empty space in this highly skewed cluster, we use the equal frequency method, or quantile binning. Instead of dividing physical space, we divide volume, adjusting boundaries so exactly 5 dots sit between every divider. The dividers shift smoothly, accommodating dense clusters and stretching for sparse ones. This transforms a lopsided distribution into balanced order, naturally tucking massive outliers safely into the far edge container. Some datasets refuse to fit neatly into any mathematical percentages. They have multiple peaks and unpredictable valleys. For these complex environments, we rely on a final upgrade called k-means. K-means uses a machine learning clustering algorithm to hunt for natural tribes within the noise. It draws containment boundaries purely around where the information organically clusters together in the wild, rather than forcing it into rigid, predefined rules. These advanced protocols actively reorganize structural chaos into a reliable, balanced environment, providing the solid foundation a predictive model needs to remain stable. Let's look at this erratic heat signature graph on our digital monitor, representing the hospital boiler room. The 1,000-degree sensor error is violently spiking upward, screaming toward the system to crash the grid a second time. But this time, the smart building algorithm is protected by data discretization. It is entirely ignoring the raw exact numbers coming from the sensors, and is instead reading discrete risk levels. The massive 1,000-degree spike hits the system and is immediately, harmlessly swallowed by the level 5 extreme category. The grid stays online, the lights stay on, and the system calmly triggers a routine maintenance inspection for the boiler room. Beginners often avoid this trick because they assume erasing hyper-specific granularity automatically damages the machine learning system's accuracy. But dropping those exact details actually strengthens the output. By intentionally dropping the microscopic details, you directly prevent overfitting. You stop the model from trying to memorize random fluctuations in the data. You trade a tiny fraction of mathematical precision for bulletproof stability. The future of machine intelligence is not about trying to calculate the exact weight of every single variable. The most robust models master human-like structure to control and organize the chaos of the real world.